This is a practice video based on the pentatonic patterns as I teach them. So pattern number 1, I'm calling the minor pentatonic pattern number 1, just because it lays out on the frets very, very nicely. Starting at the 1st fret with pentatonic pattern 1, and going all the way up to pentatonic 1 again at the 13th fret. So how I would practice this, if I were you, is play along with me, and wherever you cannot play from memory, that is where you will want to stop the video and practice that pattern until you can play it from memory, and then start the video again. I will try to start playing the guitar at exactly 1 minute so it's easy to reference and find. So we will just go right through, and you will notice that I keep my fingers lined up really nicely. I don't move around very much at all, and I don't like to stretch. I want to be very exact with where my fingers are sitting. So here we go. Minute 1, pentatonic pattern 1. Pentatonic pattern 2 picks up where pentatonic pattern 1 left off. Again, notice my fingers. I try to keep them lined up really nicely. No stretching. Pentatonic pattern number 3 starts where 2 left off. Now here, well, I'll say it when it happens, but I'm going to shift on this. So notice the first part, and then I shift up 1 fret, shift down 1 fret. There are different ways of using this pattern. That's the way that I like to at least practice it. So I keep my fingers here, and then I shift up 1 fret, shift back down. Pentatonic number 4 starts where 3 left off. Now this one I can stay in the same frets all the way. Pentatonic 5 starts where 4 left off. And that is it for all of the patterns. Now from here, we start number 1 again where 5 leaves off, and this isn't practical on an acoustic guitar or a classical guitar just because it's not easy to reach. You can throw your thumb up around and do what I would maybe call like a thumb position. So I think it is worth it to do this, not necessarily for the playing, but when it comes time to transpose these patterns into different keys, we will want to know how pattern number 1 and pattern number 5 connect. And that is the reason for doing this up here. Okay,